Hi, today I'm going to give you an overview of the product Lakehouse area in Merchant Ops. Essentially, as described before, we have two core areas, the ingest area and the catalog area. And the ingest area is where the Lakehouse lives. And the idea behind this concept was that as a retailer or a distributor, you're often faced with getting tons of PDFs and Excel files from brands and manufacturers that contain the product data that you need. And there's not a very efficient way of leveraging that data. Most of that data is processed in a very manual fashion. People open up the PDFs or the Excel files. They are copying and pasting out of those files and into their own spreadsheets, which eventually get uploaded. And there's no way to really combine data from PDFs and spreadsheets as well. So the concept arose of really building a lakehouse. And this is intended to be a place where you can upload data and not be super selective about it. So, for example, a brand like Hoka may give you their entire catalog in a PDF. You may only sell or choose to buy a percentage of their products, maybe 50% in that catalog, but you have the ability to go ahead and upload the entire thing in here. It's, again, not used as master data, more as a reference area to find information about products and brand technologies. So the area is organized in three sections: documents, the Lakehouse itself for products, and brand technologies. And documents are just that, what you upload through PDFs or Excel files, etc. And then if you look at the Lakehouse side, you'll see that we have really whole collection of data that's been uploaded from these various files. So in this case, you're looking at files from the brand Brooks, but you can look through and see and filter on ASICs or any of the other brands that were brought into this system. You can also filter, for example, by users that did the upload, or if there's specific documents, you want to just pull those in because you uploaded something recently, or you can do a text search for a product, whether it be a brand or it be a specific product by name. So that's it. I just wanted to provide a brief overview of what the Lakehouse is about. You'll see more in-depth information about how to do document uploads, work with the products, and work with the brands in subsequent videos.